Hey there. Are you a boater looking to buy or rent a home in the Fort Lauderdale area? I'm Joseph Mooradian with the Premier Group of eXp Realty, and today I'm touring a home that's for sale by owner, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,500 square feet, and best of all, it's got a boat dock and it's on a canal with ocean access. So come on in and take a look and see what you think. So this home is located in the Imperial Point, Coral Isles area of Fort Lauderdale. Again, it's a 2-2 with room to make a 3rd bedroom and a pool, as you saw. And of course, we've got this dock and you're on the intercoastal so that you have ocean access. It's for sale by owner, and the owner is going to make some repairs and get this ready for the next occupant, whether you're a buyer or a renter. So if you want more information, give me a call or shoot me a text at 954-466-5669. And once again, this is Joseph Mooradian with the Premier Group of eXp Realty. If you're trying to sell your home on your own, give me a call. I'm here to help you market your property to the best of its abilities and get you a buyer as soon as possible. Take care. Bye-bye.